Oh, right, I haven't got a GoPro mount, so I'm just going to try and talk while we're at the traffic lights. So, it's early in the morning. It's now Tuesday, whatever date it is. I don't know. And I've got to travel, first of all, 1 hour and 7 minutes. And then from that location, back in the opposite direction, 1 hour and 35 minutes to another set of locations, because I don't have anything. I've got to hold you now because I've got to drive. I don't have anything for Saturday or Sunday because I'm an idiot and I've just not had a chance to get out. It's going to be a proper mission today. The issue is I've left it so close to the weekend. Nothing more exhilarating than to have to try and find locations when you have no time, because I've got no days free this week. It's only today that I've got to try and find locations, which is very, very stressful. But I've kind of learned over the years that working under pressure is probably one of my one of my vices.
Continue on France Road for 800 meters.
The bike's for sale if anybody's interested in my bike. I paid 2,300 or 2,200. I paid that when I first bought it. It's had quite a bit of work done to it now, so it's probably worth 500 quid. But no, it's yeah, it's for sale. I am open to offers, but nothing silly because it's a really good bike. Plus it's tax and MOT exempt, so if anybody's interested in that, just let me know. So yes, like I say, you're all caught up. You probably can't see me because it's dark and GoPro's rubbish, as you know, in low light situations. So now I'm gonna get a drink from the garage, and then we're gonna be on our merry way. So yeah, let's go. So we're in the area, and it's a very sleepy area. I mean, really quite dodgy as well, to be fair. Really quite dodgy. I mean, it's like strangely quiet. Now apparently, so I've been given this location, apparently it does have quite a lot of decent cars here. Nice Jag. Really nice Jetta here, look. It's locked. Loads of engine parts there. It's a nice Jetta that is, isn't it? That definitely needs to be put back on the road. That's a really cool Jetta. Registration G443 MNT. Then you got this here. Golf Estate, is it? Polo Estate. Polo Estate. Two nice cars. VW Golf. Nice little golf cab. Nice Merc. There's apparently a Toyota Celica GT somewhere around here, but all those units are cameraed up, completely locked away, so I'm like barricaded in with cars, so definitely not an area where you can just freely walk about, do you know what I mean? Now I was told that's security there. Yeah, the security's caught me. Morning, mate. Well, he spotted me and then just walked off, so. Well then we're in. I need to check because I made such a noise getting in here. Oh Jesus. I mean this location was given to me by a viewer. Look how deep that water is there. I mean, I don't know what this car is here. Let's have a walk over here. Just want to check over there first. In case somebody comes in when I'm, you know, having a proper mooch. Well, that's an easier way in. So, this isn't what... Oh, it is actually, look. It's an ST170. No way, so it is what the chap said. It's an ST170. Now apparently this was put in here when it was quite new. So, we'll have a look at this in a minute. So we'll look what the mileage is on it. Oh, she's open. I didn't bring my torch, but you can't really see the mileage, can you? Because it's all digital. No, ST170, ladies and gentlemen. She's been here a while. Unreal. And what's under the cover? You never guess what we found. Oh no, we've gone and found a GTI. Last on the road in 07. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. F1440RW. I class this as a barn, so this is going to be a barn find GTI. Is she open? No, she's not. The bonnet's open now. Let's look under the bonnet. She's not going to stay open, is she? It's probably going to fall on my bloody head. Oh, the oil is nice on that. Have a smell. Oh, she smells good. She's a runner. Well, maybe not. How cool is this? We found ourselves another GTI. I wonder if that door's open. Oh, it is as well. Wow, how clean she is. Right, I'll try and open the other door. Open that way. But you can get in better. Right, let's get back out 1 sec. I don't check the mileage over here. 95,000, ladies and gentlemen, can you see? 95,000. Got some old money down there. Original Kenwood stereo, tape player. They were a smoker, they were. No cigarette thingy. Look at the back. Back's pretty clean. It doesn't smell that bad in here. It's a bit mouldy and musty, but not overly that bad. There's the car cover. The original box to the car cover that's on the car now. So obviously that was a new cover put on, and you can see how messy the cover is now. No keys in the old ignition. It's in the glove box. Just the normal painkillers and other rubbish. So it was clearly towed here at some point, but it's not really that bad. 100,000 miles is like, you know, it's getting there, isn't it really? Oh, I can't even get out. I'm literally stuck. How the hell did I get in here? Yeah, I can't get out. I got in, but I can't get out. I'm trying to cross. Oh, shit. Question is, yeah, is how on earth did they even get in here? Oh, there. So they've now the door shut on the inside. Kind of the out there is pretty what you call it, ventilated. Right, so we're going to cover this car back up now and then go somewhere else. Yeah, it's a shame when you find cars like this, really. I mean, I know it's the 1.6, the 1.9 is obviously the better one. It's still a poor looking car, just abandoned, really. The tyres are all flat. Doesn't look like these cars are moving anytime soon. Right then. Oh. Always put things back how you found them. But there you go. Ford Focus ST170, Peugeot GTI. It's absolutely crazy where you find these locations. I mean, it's unreal. It's mad, isn't it? It's just madness. You would never have thought of finding cars in this location, ever. Wow. Thanks to the guy that gave me this location, I appreciate it, thank you. Let's try and escape now without the security seeing this. Oh. Just going with the flow like. Right then, so apparently in the same location there's a Celica rally car, replica or original rally car, but I don't know. I'll put the camera down now so it doesn't make it too obvious. So I don't actually think that was security, I actually think that was the chap who actually owns, there's a lot of actuators there, isn't there? Owns that car. That's the thing, if I asked him about it, then he'd be like, well, how do you know about it? Or if I asked him about it after I seen him, he'd be like, well, what are you snooping about? That GTI definitely needs saving, 1,000,000%. I'm really intrigued to see where that Toyota Celica is. I've got a good idea that it's in this one here, but it's well and truly locked away, as you can tell, and all the windows are all painted up so you can't snoop and see what's inside. So they're hiding something in there. Oh, there it is. There it is on the ramp, can you see it? So the story goes that this Toyota Celica has been on that ramp for years. Security. There's a lot of people around here with high-vis jackets on, so it's kind of like... Right, so yeah. This is the end of this little mission. Obviously we're going to try and find something else because I don't think this is going to be a full video, and if it is, it's not going to be a very good full video. Yeah, that Celica would have been a good thing to look at, but clearly it's a no-go. There's no way of getting to look at that Celica, and if it is original, well, I don't think it's a rally. To be fair, I don't think it's a original rally car. It's just a rep, but then I wouldn't know really because I'm not an expert. Yes, so we've got now another hour, and well, saying that, from where we are now it's going to be another 2 hours. So now I've got another 2 hour driving to another location, another separate set of locations. So I'm tired, it's early, it's still like, what time is it now? Just turned 9:30, so got plenty of day left. What we're going to do now is yeah, drive 2 hours in the other direction. Oh, let's go. Right then, so we've got to walk across a field to this next location. I parked in probably one of the dodgiest areas you could park in, like on a single track lane, but it needs must needs and all that. So whilst I'm walking to this particular location, I think the best thing for us to do is to jump over to the BMW location, so you can see the BMWs that you saw on the end of the video, last week's video. When I went there, it wasn't actually a video, I was just looking at the cars. So it's kind of a bit of an unorthodox kind of recording, because I was just like this with the camera everywhere. So my battery went bloody flat. So yeah, as I was saying, we jumped there now, go check out the BMWs, and then we were back here. So back in 1 second. Beautiful shark nose. Oh, unreal. Mate, it's got a Porsche over there. What the
Oh, wow.
Can you see the Porsche? Mate, that Porsche.
That's crazy.